Hi, everybody. It's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. This week, I want to ask you a question. Do you check out? Do you check out when the media checks you out? Do you check out when a potential client or customer checks you out? Think about what you do before you work with anybody. You Google them, right? So that's what the media is going to do before they use you as a source or an expert. So test it. Open a private window in one of your browsers and type your name in and see what comes up, because that's what they're going to see. What does your website look like? What does your LinkedIn profile look like? Very often that's the first thing that comes up because of the Google juice of LinkedIn. So really take some time and get yourself checking out so that when the media checks you out and they think about using you as an expert or a source, it's a no-brainer and they're just going to say yes because you look so good online. So that is this week's PR tip. If you like this and you'd like to learn more, I welcome you to join our PR challenge at yourprchallenge.com. It's 10 days, it's 10 minutes a day. Even if you've already gone through the challenge in the past, do it again. It's a great refresher. It will help you establish yourself as an expert, and it will help you land media exposure, which is transformational for a business. So I will see you in our challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.